Humans have been brewing alcohol for at least 9,000 years. From ancient Chinese fermented rice to medieval European ales, it's deeply woven into human history. But what happens to the human body when we suddenly hit pause on this millennia-old habit? Welcome to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Today, we're not looking at how we make alcohol, but what happens when we stop drinking it. The timeline of human biology recovering is surprisingly fast and honestly, a bit magical. Let's see what happens to your brain, your liver, and your body, hour by hour and month by month. Within 12 to 24 hours of your last drink, your body goes into overdrive. Alcohol is technically a toxin, and your liver is the body's ultimate waste management facility. Right now, it's working all the clock to clear out the ethanol. Because alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it forces liquid out of your body, you've likely been slightly dehydrated for a while. By day 2, your hydration levels finally stabilize. But the biggest shift happens in your brain. Alcohol artificially suppresses REM sleep, which is our deep restorative sleep phase. In the first few nights without a drink, your brain experiences what scientists call a REM rebound, often causing incredibly vivid dreams. You might feel a bit groggy initially, but by day 3, the mental fog begins to lift. Fast forward to week 2, and the magic really starts. You'll probably notice it in the mirror first. Without alcohol constantly pulling water from your tissues, your face looks less puffy and your skin regains a natural, healthy glow. Inside your body, a quiet revolution is taking place. Alcohol is packed with empty calories and sugars. By simply cutting it out, your blood sugar stabilizes and you might start losing weight without even trying. But the most surprising organ to bounce back is the liver. After just 1 month of not drinking, liver fat can reduce by up to 20%. This takes a massive strain off your system, naturally lowering your blood pressure and giving you a steady, clean hum of energy throughout the day. What happens if you keep going for a whole year? The biological history of your body is officially rewritten. The dopamine receptors in your brain, which were previously hijacked by the artificial highs of alcohol, completely reset. This means your baseline mood becomes more stable, and everyday simple pleasures actually feel better. Your immune system, which is typically suppressed by regular drinking, is now significantly stronger. Your risk of heart disease and several types of cancer, including liver and breast cancer, drops dramatically. It's as if you've rolled back the biological clock. Your memory is sharper, your heart is healthier, and your liver has likely completely healed itself, acting as if those years of drinking never even happened. It's amazing how a simple liquid, one that has been at the center of human culture for thousands of years, holds so much sway over our biology. But it's even more surprising how quickly our bodies can forgive us and heal when we just give them a break. Thank you for watching Simple Things Surprising Histories. Have you ever tried taking a month off of alcohol? Let me know how you felt in the comments below. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more surprising stories. See you next time.